Struggling to make ends meet in 2025? You are not alone. But what if your next paycheck came from your phone, laptop, or even while you sleep? In this video, we will reveal 5 powerful ways to earn extra income fast, legit, and scalable. Stick around, your future starts today. 1. AI-powered freelancing for fast clients and fast cash. In 2025, freelancing has evolved, and AI is the secret weapon. With tools like ChatGPT, Canva AI, Midjourney, and 11 Labs, anyone can offer high-quality digital services without spending years mastering a skill. You no longer need to be a writer to sell blog articles or a designer to offer logos. AI handles the heavy lifting while you deliver the results. What clients really want is speed, clarity, and consistency, and AI gives you the power to provide all 3. By positioning yourself as someone who uses smart tools to meet deadlines faster and at scale, you stand out. You can offer copywriting, video script writing, voiceovers, podcast editing, and more, all with AI-assisted quality. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour are booming in 2025. But here's the trick: do not advertise AI. Clients are buying outcomes, not software. Pitch yourself based on results, like 24-hour delivery, SEO-optimized content, or engaging hooks for YouTube. The tool you use is just your silent partner. Scale up fast, reuse templates, build a portfolio with mockups, and offer limited-time discounts to gain reviews. Once you get a few 5-star ratings, your credibility skyrockets. Many freelancers are now earning $200 to $5,000 a month, working just 2-4 hours a day. This is not a side project anymore, it is a system. The earlier you start in 2025, the faster you build momentum. And with new AI tools launching monthly, you will always stay one step ahead if you keep learning. 2. Print on demand with niche personalization. Print on demand is no longer just about selling t-shirts with funny quotes. The real success now comes from personalized niche products, things like dog mom journals, astrology-themed tote bags, or spiritual wall art. What makes this business powerful is that you never hold inventory. Platforms like Printify, Gelato, and Printful handle printing and shipping for you. What you need to do is find a specific audience with emotional buying habits. For example, new moms, gym lovers, or anime fans. Create simple but targeted designs using Canva or AI design tools, then upload them to Etsy or your own Shopify store. Focus on creating a brand feel, not just random products. TikTok and Instagram Reels are the engines that drive traffic. One viral video showing your product in use, like unboxing or decorating a space, can lead to hundreds of sales in days. Add personalization, like names or dates, to increase your price and value. Even with zero design experience, you can start this hustle today. Use trending audio, bold visuals, and short clips to capture attention. And remember, it is about connecting with your niche emotionally. That is what turns views into purchases. 3. Selling digital downloads on passive platforms. Digital downloads are booming in 2025. People are buying Notion templates, wedding planners, social media calendars, and even AI prompt packs. The beauty? You create it once, upload it to platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Payhip, and it sells forever without you lifting a finger. You do not need to be a graphic designer or coder. Tools like Canva, Notion, and ChatGPT make creation simple. Start by solving a problem. Are people trying to organize their life? Give them a minimalist planner. Are small business owners struggling with marketing? Sell content calendars or caption packs. Digital products are perfect for passive income because they have no shipping, no returns, and no limits. Plus, each sale is nearly 100% profit. Some creators are making $500, $2,000 a week with just 3-5 products listed. The secret is in your presentation. Attractive mockups, clear titles, and smart keywords help you stand out. And if you combine this with the TikTok or Pinterest strategy, your traffic and sales can grow rapidly. In 2025, buyers value speed, simplicity, and customization. A well-designed digital product checks all 3 boxes and positions you as a trusted creator in your niche. or faceless YouTube automation channels for high-paying niches? In 2025, YouTube automation is the gold rush of digital income, and you do not even need to show your face. People are building entire channels around topics like personal finance, celebrity drama, tech breakdowns, and eerie true stories using AI tools for every part of the process. Scripts are written with ChatGPT, voiceovers done with 11 Labs or PlayHT, and videos assembled using Pictory, CapCut, or stock footage from free library. The advantage? Once uploaded, YouTube videos become passive assets. If you target a high CPM niche like finance, luxury, or law, you can earn $10 per 1,000 views. A single video with 100,000 views can generate hundreds of dollars monthly, long after you made it. What works best in 2025 is emotional storytelling with slow pan and zoom visuals, text overlays, and dramatic pacing. Keep viewers hooked every 10 seconds. Your channel could become a digital real estate empire if you upload consistently and focus on quality retention. Automation does not mean laziness. You still need good ideas, keyword research, and strong thumbnails, but everything else from writing to editing can now be outsourced or done with AI. It is a business, not a hobby. Start small, scale smart, and let YouTube's algorithm work for you. 5. Microservices and service flipping in local and TikTok markets. In 2025, people want fast solutions more than ever, especially small businesses and online sellers. That is why offering microservices like Amazon listing optimization, digital business cards, podcast editing, or product video reviews is booming. But here's the best part: you do not have to do the work yourself. This is called service flipping. You find clients on TikTok Shop, Instagram, Facebook Marketplace, or even WhatsApp groups offering services at $100. Then you hire someone on Fiverr or Upwork to do it for $40, deliver it back, and keep the difference. It is all about packaging, communication, and speed. But many people in 2025 are running this model from their phones. You can even sell AI-generated UGC videos, logos, and website audits. Position your offer with urgency, limited slots this week only, or DM for fast 24-hour turnaround. If you learn how to talk to clients and deliver clean results, this hustle can scale fast. You are not just selling a task, you are selling time, trust, and peace of mind. And that, in any economy, is always in demand. These 5 income ideas are not just trends, they are opportunities waiting for action. Which one will you try first? Comment below and let us know. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs a financial breakthrough in 2025. Your next stream of income starts now.